Greetings, students. In this lecture, we'll talk about differentiation. Differentiation is one of the most important topics for entry test preparations and for higher studies as well. So, it's important for you to listen all the lectures carefully to have a good grip on the concept. Let's start with the definition of the differentiation. For y is equal to f of x, the derivative of y with respect to x is defined as the instantaneous rate of change of y with respect to x. Symbolically, dy by dx is equal to limit h approaches to 0 f x plus h minus f of x over h. Now this is the derivative by the definition. Similarly, we have d over dx f of x is equal to limit delta x approaches to 0 f x plus delta x minus f of x over del x. It is the same as the previous case, but in this case, we have del x instead of h. And finally, f derivative a, the bar here represents the derivative, which is also a notation of the derivative, is equal to limit x approaches to a, f of x minus f of a over x minus a. In short, we can say that the process of finding the derivative is called the differentiation. Now, on your screen, we have given you some of the notations used for derivative along with the name of mathematicians. Have a look at the notations as you might be asked about it in your entry test. Well, that's all from us in today's lecture.